Hey everyone, this is SEA Crypto Daily Buzz. Today is Monday, July 27th, your weekend close crypto briefing from Manila. This channel summarizes the most important crypto news for investors in Southeast Asia. Bitcoin trades near $65,150, down 0.28%. Ethereum sits near $1,941, down 0.57%. Solana trades near $76. Fear and greed reads 27, still fear. 3 stories today. Story 1. Institutional capital keeps rotating from Bitcoin toward Ethereum. Over the 5 trading days, ending July 24th, BlackRock's Ethereum funds, ETH-A and ETH-B, pulled in $99.2 million in net inflows, while its flagship Bitcoin fund, IBIT, posted a net outflow of $95.5 million. Bitcoin spot ETFs lost $240.1 million on July 24th, the second consecutive daily outflow, and the 30-day total sits at negative $2.17 billion. Weekly Ether trading volume dropped to around $8 billion, the lowest since April 2025, which usually signals a compression phase before a directional break. The Federal Reserve meeting on July 28th and 29th is the next macro catalyst. For Southeast Asian holders, this is a relative strength signal, not a broad bullish call. If the pattern holds through the Fed week, dollar cost averaging remains the safer default while volatility stays elevated. Story 2. Korean gaming platform. Wemade's stablecoin WEMIX was compromised. Around 6:18 p.m. on July 26th, an attacker gained administrator rights to the WEMIX smart contract and minted approximately $5.22 million worth of unauthorized tokens. The stolen tokens were converted to 724,000 USDC-E, then bridged across Ethereum and BNB Smart Chain and swapped into ETH and USDT. With part deposited into centralized exchanges, the WEMIX token dropped 16.65% in 24 hours after the disclosure. Wemade said the attacker's wallet has been tracked and freeze requests were submitted to major exchanges and stablecoin issuers, while related contracts are being audited by external experts. For Filipino, Vietnamese, and Indonesian users, this is the second admin key compromise in Asia this month. The takeaway is to check who controls the mint and freeze keys, and to prefer multi-signature governance. Story 3. South Korea's public digital asset testbed. South Korea is building its first public digital asset testbed, targeting October 10th. Per Seoul Economic Daily, the Telecommunications Technology Association launched a tender to verify won-denominated stablecoin and tokenized security services. Per Seoul Economic Daily, the Telecommunications Technology Association launched a tender to verify won-denominated stablecoin and tokenized security services. The testbed will cover issuance, burning, remittance, freezing, identity verification, key management, and a blockchain explorer. In parallel, Coupang and Woori Bank completed a proof of concept applying a won stablecoin to real-time Coupang ETH settlement, the first commercial-grade case in Korea. For Southeast Asian users, this matters because Korea is now roughly 10 weeks from a working sandbox. Regional regulators in the Philippines, Vietnam, Indonesia, and Thailand often benchmark Korean frameworks. Watch whether ASEAN 49 in November produces a joint stablecoin testbed signal along this template. Here is the recap. 1. BlackRock ETH-A and ETH-B inflows beat IBIT for the week ending July 24th. 2. Wemade WEMIX admin key compromise triggers $5.22 million mint. 3. Korea Public Digital Asset Testbed targets October 10th build-out. This video is for information and education only and is not financial advice. All investment decisions and risks are your own responsibility. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. And if you want more chart analysis and trading insights, join our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. See you in the next one.